Welcome everyone. In this wireframing tutorial, we're going to see how to wireframe a complete product landing page for a smartwatch using MockFlow Wireframe Pro. We'll begin by adding the browser frame. Then drop in a rectangle to form the hero section background and customize its style. After that, add an image placeholder for the logo, drag and drop the menu icon, customize it, and set up your header menus. Next, replace the logo placeholder with an SVG logo uploaded from the MockFlow image library, customize it, and align the header neatly. Now add a circle shape, place a search icon inside it from the MockFlow icon library. And duplicate this to create multiple circle-based icons. That completes the header. Then move to the hero area, add the title text, description, and a CTA button from the website UI kit, and customize everything. After that, add the main image placeholder to finish the hero section. Then we'll move into the functionality section, start with an image placeholder, add the section title and subheading. Then add a circle, customize it, drop in an icon from the icon library, and place the main text and subtext beside it. Reuse and customize this block for all functionality points. Next, we'll add another section titled Built to Last. Drop in the title, section description, and an image placeholder, then resize it to fit the layout. Moving on, we'll create the Elevate Your Workouts section. Add the title, description, and image placeholder. Then reuse the circle and icon style from the previous section. Add the workout name and description, and repeat the same structure. Customizing the icon inside each circle for every workout feature. Then we'll add the functionality section with a title and description. Start with an image placeholder, add the feature name and short description, and reuse this block for all remaining features. After that, we'll move to the showcase section for the watch's pricing, begin by adding the image placeholder. Next, add the watch name, short description, and pricing with the price cut. Add a circle component, reuse it for color options, and customize it like a color picker. Then add buttons for screen size options, customize them, and duplicate them for all sizes. Do the same for the material options. After that, add the numeric spinner, customize it, and finish with the Add to Cart button. Now we'll add the review section by dragging in a ready-to-use testimonial block from the website UI kit and customizing its content. Next, add the ready-to-use contact section, again from the website UI kit, drag, drop, and customize just like the testimonial section. Then we'll add the ready-made footer section from the website UI kit, customize the background, change the logo, and update the menu links. Finally, it's time to replace all image placeholders with the actual uploaded images from the MockFlow image library. Once everything is replaced and aligned, you'll have the complete final look of our smartwatch product landing page wireframe. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wireframing walkthroughs and design tips with MockFlow. Try MockFlow today and bring your ideas to life.